walk it off.
E is for launch a fury projectile. Charge, earthquake shatter, barrier heal, rocket
I'm
hammer.
looking at I'm looking at Widowmaker's ass. Look at that ass.
I'm the Mr. Barrier Field.
Oh, Winston?
Mr. Barrier.
Oh,
His
Reinhardt.
name is. What's his name?
Reinhardt.
Ryan.
Wait, the monkey or the...
Nope, the giant barrier guy, the one with the.
Oh my god, a flying popcorn.
Wee. Ooh. Hello.
Hello.
Look at Emil's. Oh, damn it. I was about to peek at his ass. Hey, it's Widowmaker's ass, not Emil's ass.
Okay, okay.
Are you fucking... There's a level 1, guys. There's a level 1.
Defend. I like to defend.
Wait, are we gonna do the all Bastion thing if you're gonna do defend?
Oh yeah, do it, do it, do it.
Let us do it. Everybody.
I feel like you're all gonna be so annoyed with us. Emil, tell them we're friends. So 4 of us are friends. Sabi mo the Bastions are friends so they don't get the Mercy changed into a Bastion.
The other guy caught on.
They'll be so surprised.
Yeah, they're all gonna be like, holy shit! All of them are Bastion!
Okay, I'm gonna get up here. This is a good part of defense. So one.
I'll be here beside you, dude. I'll be here beside you.
Okay, I'll be at the rooftop. They'll no
Oh
one.
my god, it's gonna be so funny.
This is.
I'm
They'll be so surprised.
gonna be so laughing. Where are we going? I'll be here hidden in the...
Since I'm the true chair player, I'm gonna be.
Come on, everybody, make a turn in the main street.
But I'm by the car. Main Street. Are you sure that's a good idea?
No, stay in the back.
Shit, 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 shit.
We can't get out, guys! That is so fun!
Oh my god, it's working.
Oh my god, guys, it's working!
Are you serious?
It's working, someone shoot the stairs!
I can't even sneak at the back.
Guys, I can't! I'm so laughing!
Oh my god.
I'm laughing so much!
Okay, this is the best ever attack.
Best tank game ever.
And the best part, we can heal ourselves.
Yeah. Oh, Farragut snuck on us.
Okay, so we're 70.
Okay, we're dead.
Okay, let's just stay at the defense area, guys. Stay at the defense area.
Pure defense. Defend, defend, defend. This is hilarious.
Guys, I'm laughing so hard right now.
I just queued for no. Everyone pure defense.
Guys, it's working. There's a sniper somewhere.
Team fight that is.
There's someone who's gonna sneak up on us, guys. Guys, I'm like super laughing right now. Guys, there's a sniper.
I know, I see her. I'm trying not to see.
Tracer, I see Tracer. I'm healing, guys. Healing. Guys, Bastion as a defense works. I'm laughing so hard.
That is so hilarious.
Oh my god, Avian.
We're actually winning. Is this
This is so funny. It's working. I feel so bad for these motherfuckers.
at the back? At the back, guys, at the back. This is hilarious. We're still all Bastion. Okay, we won.
Wait, guys, almost getting the defense. Guys, go. Someone's at the point. I think Karma's bitching at us.